What if everything in the universe is always changing, always moving, and yet, behind it all, there's something that never moves? Over 2,000 years ago, Aristotle asked these questions in his groundbreaking work, Physics. Let's break it down. Aristotle, one of history's greatest philosophers, wrote Physics in the 4th century BCE. It's not about modern physics, but about understanding nature, motion, and change. Aristotle begins by asking, how do things in nature change? He explains that everything has matter, the raw material, form, the structure it takes, and privation, the absence of form that drives transformation. Change is the journey from potential to actual, like marble becoming a statue. But why do things happen? Aristotle introduces his famous four causes: material, formal, efficient, and final. And for him, the most important is the final cause, purpose. A seed grows into a tree because that is its natural goal. Next, he explores motion. Motion, he says, is the unfolding of potential into actuality, growth, change, and movement through space. He also wrestles with infinity, concluding it only exists as something potential, never as a completed whole. He then turns to place, void, and time. Place is where bodies meet. The void, absolute emptiness, cannot exist. And time? Time is the measure of motion, the rhythm of before and after. Aristotle also classifies change in substance, quality, quantity, and place. All motion is continuous, never broken into pieces, and he answers puzzles like Zeno's paradoxes to prove motion is real. Finally, he asks, if everything moved is moved by something else, where does it all begin? His answer: there must be a first cause, an unmoved mover. Something eternal, unchanging, and necessary, which makes all motion and change possible. So, the message of physics? Nature is purposeful. Change is the unfolding of potential into reality. Time and motion are inseparable, and behind it all lies an eternal, unmoved mover. Aristotle's Physics isn't just ancient philosophy. It's one of the first attempts to explain the universe itself. Do you think the world is purposeful, or is it all chance? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other book summaries.